Mastering Understanding Business Frameworks, an overview of Flevy's offerings. Business frameworks are the lifeline to survival in chaotic times. When organizations face rapid change and uncertainty in their internal or external environments, how do business frameworks provide them with the necessary tools and structures to respond effectively and make informed decisions? When organizations face rapid change and uncertainty in their internal or external environments, business frameworks provide them with the necessary tools and structures to respond effectively and make informed decisions by offering a systematic approach to analysis, problem solving, and strategy development. Business frameworks are pre-designed, structured approaches that help organizations break down complex problems into manageable components, identify key issues, and develop targeted solutions. By applying a framework, organizations can create a shared understanding of the problem, align their efforts, and communicate more effectively across different levels and functions. One of the primary benefits of business frameworks is that they enable organizations to respond quickly and effectively to changing circumstances. By providing a structured approach to analysis and decision-making, frameworks help organizations to 1. Identify key issues and prioritize efforts. Business frameworks help organizations to identify the most critical aspects of a problem, prioritize their efforts, and allocate resources accordingly. 2. Analyze complex data. Frameworks provide a structured approach to data analysis, enabling organizations to break down complex data into manageable components, identify patterns, and draw meaningful conclusions. 3. Develop targeted solutions. By applying a framework, organizations can develop targeted solutions that address specific needs and requirements, rather than relying on generic or ad hoc approaches. 4. Communicate effectively. Business frameworks provide a common language and set of concepts that can be shared across different levels and functions, facilitating communication and collaboration. 5. Learn from experience. Frameworks enable organizations to capture and document their experiences, lessons learned, and best practices, allowing them to refine their approach over time. Flevy's offerings provide a comprehensive range of business frameworks that cater to diverse organizational needs and requirements. These frameworks are designed to help organizations respond effectively to changing circumstances, make informed decisions, and drive business success. For instance, Flevy's strategy development frameworks help organizations to develop a robust strategy that aligns with their mission, vision, and goals. These frameworks provide a structured approach to strategy development, enabling organizations to identify key issues, define objectives, and develop targeted initiatives. Similarly, Flevy's operational excellence frameworks help organizations to streamline their operations, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. These frameworks provide a comprehensive approach to operational excellence, enabling organizations to identify areas for improvement, optimize processes, and implement sustainable changes. Flevy's innovation and growth frameworks are designed to help organizations drive innovation, growth, and sustainability. These frameworks provide a structured approach to innovation, enabling organizations to identify opportunities, generate ideas, and develop targeted solutions that drive business success. In addition, Flevy's change management frameworks help organizations to navigate complex change initiatives, manage stakeholder expectations, and build a culture of continuous improvement. These frameworks provide a systematic approach to change management, enabling organizations to assess their readiness for change, develop a change strategy, and implement sustainable changes. In conclusion, business frameworks provide organizations with the necessary tools and structures to respond effectively to rapid change and uncertainty in their internal or external environments. By applying a framework, organizations can create a shared understanding of the problem, align their efforts, and communicate more effectively across different levels and functions. Flevy's offerings provide a comprehensive range of business frameworks that cater to diverse organizational needs and requirements, enabling organizations to make informed decisions, drive business success, and achieve their goals.